Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Gwen Tarot, and this is your most requested July love and work forecast for Cancers. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic Gwen Tarot, like and share, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Friends, we work very, very hard. Please do share the videos because YouTube is very harsh right now. It doesn't support good work. So please subscribe, like, and share. And please support us. I have always been there for you. So please be there for me. And thank you so much. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And you can watch it anytime, even though it is for July, friends, but you can watch it anytime. So let's see, Cancers, what is the theme of the month for you? For Cancers, let's see, theme of the month of July. For our beautiful Cancers, theme of the month of July for Cancers. All right, the world. All right, Two of Swords. Okay, the Queen of Cups. Okay, this is your own energy, Cancers. Look at that. A lot of cards came out. Let's see. So, this is your own energy, Cancers, the Queen of Cups. So, you will be feeling much more in yourself, you will be feeling more control, in charge of yourself this month because the Queen of Cups, you are in charge. The world, yes, definitely July, the focus is about traveling, the focus is about relocating, transforming changes, transformations, reinventing yourself. I also feel some of you could be actually thinking about leaving a job, finding a new job, changing your diet, changing your look. So, this is about creating a new you, Cancers, definitely. Um, you are trying to create a new you, and you definitely are gonna feel more confident and more yourself as you accept or embrace certain changes, certain transformations. Six of Swords. Yes, you are definitely moving out of trouble in stuck energy. You are moving out of stuck energies. Cancers. A lot of challenges were there, emotional challenges, or I feel life was really heavy for you, Cancers, the June, May, and June. But now you are coming out of that energy. You are moving towards peace. You are moving towards safety, security, and personal changes. Some of you could also be shifting, relocating cities or countries. Some of you could also go on a travel, a holiday, which will be good for you. Two of Swords, yes, there will be some decisions and some confusion in this month for you, friends. You may feel like should you go for it or not go for it. Some risk is there, but I would say that you should go for it because you are doing really, your stars are doing very well, Cancers, in this month. So go for it. The only thing I would say is keep your money to yourself, Cancers, because. Okay, because that's the energy. You should keep your money to yourself because Mars will try to make you spend thrift. You want to spend a lot, spend on jobs, spend on travel, spend on this, spend on that. A haircut, spend on a haircut. Let's take a makeover. But no, darling, don't spend so much. Yeah, it's good. It's good to save. It's good to save a nine, right? Let's see your love life. Cancers, their love life. Five of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, the Nine of Wands. All right. Cancers, their love life in July. Ooh. Cancers, their love life in July. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Two aces. Oh god, three aces. Oh my god. What are you up to, Cancers? Look at that. One ace, two ace, three ace. Oof, Cancers, you are doing great. All right. Let's clarify this. What is it about? Okay, Two of Cups. This is about Two of Cups. Wow, Cancers, big changes are happening in your love life. Definitely, Your love life is changing. You are transforming. Whether you know it or not, whether you want it or not, things are changing. Shuffling is about to happen in your love life, and July is the month where it all starts, and big changes will happen. I do feel currently you are stuck with a person, or there is a relationship where things are not going good. That person does not value you. You don't love them. They don't value you. You might be together because of money or because of tradition. Also, there are trust issues. This person may be in no contact or long distance with you, so it's like a no contact situation, but it's like neither there, it's like neither over, but it's like not, they are not there for you, so it's a confusing situation. But I feel you will feel more clear about the situation in the first week. You will feel like, yes, you know what to do, what action steps you need to take. I do feel that someone doesn't want to let you go, and they will try to come back, and they will try to stop you from going away, or they will try to keep you to themselves, but things are not perfect in this relationship. Things are a bit confusing. You are not sure of this person. So let's see what happens in the second week of July. In the second week of July, yes, the stuck relationship, there is a lot of stuck energy in your love life. Things are not moving forward. You want things to move forward, but things are getting more complicated, getting more stuck. But why? You may face some sudden news, some sudden messages. You may leave a person or relationship, or they may walk out on you. I'm sorry for that, but that's how it is. Or it may not be like you leave or they leave. It is like some news, some messages, some truths, some awareness, some solutions you were looking for will reach to you in the second week of July, and this will be like the breakthrough you needed. This is like finally the clarity has come, what you need to do with your love life. I also feel that the chances of a fight or argument may happen with your lover in the second week, but it will open up the love, it will open up the communication between you and them. And 10 of cups, yeah, some of you may actually be there are a lot of messages. Some of you may actually be struggling with a marriage which is where you are not happy, or some of you may actually be single but your family is trying to get you married to somebody. So marriage is an important thing here. Some confusion, some talks about marriage will be happening in the second week of July, and decisions related or solutions related to marriage will be coming to you. Breakthroughs about that will be coming to you in July, second week. But I do see that some of you may actually, leave, some of you may leave a marriage or a relationship, or some of you may actually sit down and talk and make things better. So in the third week, a lot is happening. Your person is mentally very clear what they want. There is a new start, a very very powerful new start, emotionally new start for you. And not just that, there will be a lot of grounded energy. Like your person is like, see, this time I will not only propose you, I will get married to you, so let's do it in the big way. And yes, for some of you, you may get out of a situation in second week, and in the third week you finally get to meet a soulmate that is perfect for you. This is a past life connection. You meet somebody, or there is a reunion or a new start with somebody which is destined for you. You guys are perfect. Look at that, the two of cups. There is perfect harmony in this connection. There is a deep love, there is a deep affection, and there is body, mind and soul unity. Cancers, you are on fire. Look at that, Nine of Pentacles. And this relationship, you will feel happy, and in the third week you will feel confident, independent. You will feel like, yes, what you are doing is the right decisions. Ooh, and the final week, wow, big changes are happening for you, Cancers. They're very, very steamy, passionate week. It will be, there will be a lot of things, a lot of sexual chemistry, a lot of sexual passion. You will be spending more time with your soulmate, with each other's houses or in their bed, or they are in your home a lot. Yes, and a lot of telepathy will be happening. So you could be reuniting with your twin flame, letting go of a karmic, or some of you could be reuniting with a lover or a soulmate. Big changes, big transformations in your love life. And a lot of intuitive feelings, a lot of intuitive love. My God, Cancers. Whew. Whew. Oh my God, this is like this was a hot reading, intense. Let's see some advice for your love life. Oh, throat chakra, yeah, communications. You need to say things. You communications, friends. You are if you are settling for less, friends. If you are settling for just to keep others happy, if you are doing something, it will not work in July, friends. Moving on, yes, it is time to move on. You deserve peace, you deserve happiness, and for some of you it is reinventing this relationship. Look, positive movement forward. Yes, your love life is about to move forward, and you will get the right guidance from your guides, your spirits, your angels. So don't worry, and you can keep watching Magic Wands Tarot for further guidance. Let's see your work and career. The Queen of Wands, the Three of Wands, and the Five of Wands, the Strength, and the Ten of Swords. Wow. You're gonna take it, you got to take it easy, friends, Cancers. You are working very, very hard. You are stressing yourself. I see you have been working hard, Cancer, since a very, very long time, like 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, maybe 3 months. You have had no rest. You had been working all day, all night. You have been handling a lot of pressure. And yes, in July, you will feel very ambitious, very bold, very powerful. You will have a lot of power, a lot of stamina, a lot of. People will listen to your ideas, people will listen to your opinion, to your suggestions. You have a lot of power, a lot of say in your work, in your career, in your studies, but you need to take care of your health. You need to take it easy. You can't burn the midnight oil. You can't. Cancers, you will try to do too much in this month, but you should not, because you are already doing everything. You are already going places, Cancer, so don't worry. Another thing is, you will be traveling a lot this month, or some sort of a travel plans for work or for studies will happen for you. Some of you may actually get the visas to travel for work or for your studies. Some of you may actually be moving to another city or country for jobs, for studies, for some paperwork or something like that. But yes, travel will be there. But you have to keep in mind, friends, that there will be competition also. So you must rest also, because if you burn yourself out, your competitors will succeed. So don't do that, Cancers. Another thing is, you will want to take some risk, Cancers, in the month of July, like overspend money, be risky, take some bold, rash moves in your work, in your finances. Don't do that. Don't do that, because it will affect you, it will cause you worry, anxiety. But your health will be very good, your stamina will be very high. And if your health was affecting your career, your studies, don't worry, your health will be better this month. Let's see some advice, Cancers. All right, no, let's take the advice from the other cards, the angel cards. Okay, advice. Okay, compassion. Yeah, be kind to yourself, Cancers. Exactly what I was telling you. Be kind to yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. And a sacred plan. Yes, your life has a sacred plan. Your love life is going through a change. Your life is changing. You are changing. You have already changed. So something, some sacred plan, some destiny is taking you somewhere, Cancers. Be, you know, just just flow with the flow. Holy love. Oh my God, look at that. God is guiding you towards holy love, towards a union with your perfect soulmate, towards a union with your perfect self, with yourself, with your soulmate, twin flame. My God, Cancers, this is powerful. This is a great month for you. You have to tell me what happened. Keep this reading, save it, and tell me what happened. After the month ends. I do feel this is a theme for you till August, September. So you might come back after August and tell me, like, this happened for you. So this is a theme not just for July, but till August and September for you. Peacock, yes, time, be aware of great pride. Yeah, don't try to take some risk. Discord among friends or family. Mice, New birth or new business opportunities talk. March is important. Younger woman is important. Tent, temporary situation. Yes, some things are ending. A new beginning. Key, successful solutions to your problems. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. An older woman, dealings or relationship with a person older than you. Gossip, yes, people are talking about you a lot in July. January, ooh, someone born in January is important. Or wrath, sorrow over some loss, yeah. Some things are ending and something new is starting. Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, understanding. There is a sacred plan happening for you. Tiger, taking some risks. Caterpillar, transformations. Oh my god, so many cards of transformation. Compassion, holy love, sacred plan. Whew, cancers. I'm sweating. A change is coming. Victory, yes, a personal victory. Pineapple, a reunion. So I do see you are reuniting or uniting with your ultimate twin flame, ultimate lover, holy flame, or you are uniting with your life purpose, your, whatever you are meant to do right now, you are uniting with something important which is destined. Cancers, if you don't subscribe now, then when will you subscribe? Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Insta. This is Mystic C saying, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying, bye bye.